Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Let's start looking at the BTC under a higher time frame. However, before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. A weekly time frame. Recently, last week I updated that we had in the middle of July that we had bullish engulfing candle, plus we get a confirmation. Same scenario that we saw end of September with the confirmation candles. However, in the last update that I said, we have a bullish engulfing that, as you can see, we covered this bearish candle. However, we did expect from the bulls that this candle, in order to confirm, we're supposed to close with a bullish, another green candle. And as you can see, that I updated on the December 27th, that I said weekly close with a bullish engulfing. However, for the next week, we need to see green candle, that will be a bullish confirmation. Also, I was warning about the major resistance levels above us. So that was a chart. As you can see, I circled the bullish engulfing candles. For the market and instant updates, you can follow me via Twitter, the Magnate. As you can see, after the bullish engulfing candle, we have got a red one. That was a failure. So the weekly time frame still under the bull's control. However, it is consolidating between $52,000 and $46,000. Moving on to a daily time frame. Under daily time frame, as soon as we held the $40,000 and $41,000 under lower time frame as well as the higher time frame, and we had a buy signal right all the way up to $69,000. Expected levels were 68 and all the way up to $70,000. So as soon as we reached to $60,000, early signal, shorting signal right from 618, the golden pocket, 66,500, we had initial sell signal under lower time frame as well as the mid time frame, and we shorted all the way up to $48,000 and $50,000. So if we measure from $41,000, $40,000 all the way up to $69,000, we had nearly 70% profit. However, with the early exit signal, we had over 60% profit in 1.5 months. So if you're doing a leverage 10 times 600%, 5 times, which is decent, 300% profit. However, weakness on the daily time frame came at around $58,000 and $60,000. As soon as we lost this level, as you can see, we had a massive dump in the market. And then around here, which is around $50,000, once with this candle, we couldn't break the resistance on the daily time frame, $51,000, $52,000. Daily time frame went heavily under the bear's control, and still right at this moment daily time frame is heavily under the bear's control. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Before we do a further multiple time frame analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclasses available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market. And it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. During the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on to 4-hour time frame, we've got a resistance above us at around $54,000 and $56,000 that we've been following for some time, and slightly changed on the support and resistance lines. And then this support is acting upper line at the moment as a resistance at around $48,000 and $47,000. And the last support that we have that matched confluence with the Fibonacci level, important level of the Fibonacci, it's around $44,000 all the way up to $43,000. So as I said, the early signal on the mid time frame and lower time frame, as soon as we got a rejection right from 0.618 to the dollar, as you can see, and we had the initial sell signal, and we shorted all the way up to $48,000 and $50,000. However, high probabilities of that came at around $63,500 and $63,000. As soon as we had this massive red candle, that was early indication on the higher time frame as well as the mid time frame and lower time frame, we had a sell signal. And as you can see, around $54,000, we consolidated a bit, and then the next sell-off came all the way up to $42,000. And under the system which I'm following at the moment, as soon as we broke, as you can see, 63,500 level and 63,000 area, we had a sell signal based on a smart money. And as you can see, we tested number of times this red line, and we had a fake out on the 2-hour time frame. Again, once we get out from the red line, as you can see, we had a massive sell-off. After we broke this red line, that was a second time. Again, we tried to go in, however, it didn't happen. And then the bears pushed the price all the way towards the $42,000. Depends where you entered it from 618 all the way up to 48,000. We had over 25% profit. All the way up to $50,000. We had again nearly 25% profit. And again, if you're doing a leverage 10 times 250%, 5 times 125% in less than 2 weeks. So 4-hour time frame still under the bear's control, as long as we're going to be below the first zone at around 48,800. But ideally, I would like to see that we're going to break this white line. That's going to be initial confirmation. However, I will be high probability setup will come at around, once we're going to break the upper line, which is a green line, that's going to be around 51,500 level. As long as we're going to be break this 51.5, and highly likely the price will go and test 54,000 all the way up to $56,000. So right at this moment, 4-hour as well as 1-hour, 2-hour time frames are heavily under the bear's control. As long as we're going to be above this line, which is around $49,000, and break it, either clean breakout or claim it as a support under mid time frame and the lower time frame, claim it as a support, then as I said, highly likely that we will reach to the target level of $56,000. Otherwise, the price I will be expecting, after we got a rejection right from here, expecting that the price action to come to this support level. We came to an end of this episode. The levels are clear, play level to level, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.